So the Wagon here in Chengdu was very international and diverse. That was something I was not expecting before coming back here, because for someone who grew up here, I did not know there was a big international community here, and I was very pleasant surprised.
Sometimes it's really little things, like coming from Germany where there's, they like order and rules. The first day here, I just tried to cross the street and it was chaos. I was like, what's going on? But then also we have things like WeChat. So again, Germany, you pay with a lot of cash. It's very old school that way. But here you pay WeChat for everything. You have the booths, like these people selling things on the street, and I can just pay with my WeChat.
Chengdu is a very modern city, but it's also this like cultural hub. It's a place where there's new types of music. There's hip hop in Chengdu. There's skateboarding in Chengdu. There's street art in Chengdu. It's not only a growing technological hub, but also a cultural hub.
I would recommend pretty much everyone to do it because it's not just coding. For me, I learned how to code, I learned a new culture, I got a bunch of friends who I'm going to keep in touch with and never forget.
I would recommend the Wagon to a lot of ladies who have a job, who have very stable income, but we're looking for career change.
I think the Wagon Chengdu is the perfect program for someone who is interested in technology, interested in learning how to code.
Don't be scared to jump into the water, and you'll get so much more out of it.